This is the crowd. It consists of many people. Crowdsourcing is the process of exploiting a large number of contributions made by individuals in the crowd and also taking advantage of human intelligence. The crowd is able to perform tasks that are either impossible or challenging for computers. For example, labeling the conceptual concept of images. My name is Martha Larson, and I am from the Multimedia Information Retrieval Lab at Delft University of Technology. Together with Mohammad Soleymani from Imperial College in London, we have created this playlist consisting of videos that cover different aspects of crowdsourcing methods for multimedia. Mohammad and I know each other because we collaborate in the Medieval Multimedia Benchmark Initiative. In order to carry out benchmarking, it is necessary to design new multimedia tasks that are interesting for users and also to annotate large amounts of multimedia data. In the videos that follow, you'll see that crowdsourcing can do both. The image that you just saw is the first known co-occurrence of Mohammad and myself in a photo, and it was taken in 2009 in Corfu at the 10th workshop of CLAY, the Cross-Language Evaluation Forum. The moment captured in this image played a role in the founding of Medieval, so maybe the most appropriate label for this image would be Genesis. That would be a tough label to predict. By the end of this playlist, you should be able to form an opinion of what kinds of tough labels for multimedia that crowdsourcing can help with, and what are the limitations and the potentials of crowdsourcing methods for large-scale video analysis. My original specialty is the area of speech and language technology for multimedia. This is one of the interests that connects me to Gerald Friedland. Mohammad's area of specialty is effective indexing for multimedia. He works on systems that analyze videos and attempt to predict the kind of emotional responses that they will evoke in viewers. Mohammad and my first venture into crowdsourcing was the area of analyzing social videos to predict whether the people watching them would find them engaging or boring. We used Mechanical Turk to collect people's reports of their level of boredom while watching a set of short travelogues for a video blogger. That was the paper. Already at this point, you realize that Mohammad and I are people who push crowdsourcing for multimedia beyond the mechanical objective tasks, does this video depict a cat, to subjective tasks that collect viewer judgments and viewer opinions. We also know a lot about what makes a video boring, and for this reason we have decided on an unconventional format for this video lecture. The lecture is organized as a playlist. It begins with the video that you are watching now, and then you move to an introductory video on crowdsourcing, which is given by Mohammad. The rest of the playlist is composed of videos on papers that we have selected as being particularly interesting or important to crowdsourcing methods for multimedia. We call these videos paper clips, or video clips on papers. We address issues such as task design and quality control, providing examples from real crowdsourcing systems. Under its broadest definition, crowdsourcing encompasses both unsolicited human contributions, for example, tags assigned by users to videos, and also solicited contributions, for example, annotations gathered by making use of crowdsourcing platforms such as Amazon Mechanical Turk. These platforms micro-outsource tasks to a large pool of workers. In this playlist, we mostly focus on the second, narrower definition of crowdsourcing, which is outsourcing tasks to members of the general public rather than solving them using specialized systems. While watching this playlist, please note the amazing scope and variety of applications of crowdsourcing for multimedia. In addition to annotation, crowdsourcing can be used for data collection, for carrying out user studies, and for doing other things with multimedia systems. Our hope would be that if there is a special area of large-scale video analysis that you are particularly interested in, you will watch our playlist and develop your own new method of crowdsourcing for multimedia.